Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to use your air fryer to make easy cherry turnovers. What you're going to need in terms of gathering your ingredients are an oil to season your air fryer with, a ready-to-use pie crust, your favorite pie filling. We're making cherry today, but you can also use apple or blueberry, an egg to make an egg wash, and some sugar. If you want to use coarse sugar rather than granulated sugar, feel free. It makes a pretty turnover. Today we're going to be using regular sugar for that. The tools we're going to use are air fryer, of course. You'll need a can opener, a pizza cutter, a basting brush, a spoon, a fork, and a spatula. The first thing we're going to do is to season the air fryer to get it preheated and ready to bake our pies. So I like to use peanut oil for this. It's very good. It has a high smoke point, and that's going to just keep our pies from sticking. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to set it on 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, let's get our turnovers put together. So I'm taking my pre-made pie crust, and I'm going to take a pizza cutter here, and I'm going to make 4 turnovers out of this. So I'm just going to cut this like so. Set these aside for a minute. I'm going to work with these two. Got my cherry pie filling. One thing about this is you've always got to be super careful not to put too much filling in your pie. That's a mistake I commonly make. Otherwise your filling will kind of squish and come out the sides. A little goes a long way here. All right, there we go. I'm going to fold my pie crust over so that my turnovers make triangles, and I'm going to press the ends. We will make them pretty here in a minute as well. Like this. Then I'm going to take a fork. I'm going to dip it in a little egg wash, and I'm just going to make pie marks here. What this is going to do is to help seal my crust as well. And use your fingers if you need to. The last step is going to be to take my egg wash and just wash. Sorry, that's my dog. Just wash the eggs. Just wash the egg wash over this so that we get a nice glaze on our turnovers. All right, we're ready to put them in the air fryer. Okay, so let's get these in our air fryer basket. Like so. Put those in there. I don't like for them to be touching each other because sometimes that'll cause the pie to not bake properly. We're going to put it in our air fryer. I use a Philips Power, or excuse me, not a Philips, but a Power Air Fryer XL. I like the size of the basket. And we're going to do these on 380 degrees for 10 minutes. So now we'll wait and see what we have. Okay, our 10 minutes is up. Our pies are ready. Here we go. Let's set this here and take these out of the basket. These are hot, and they're very hot on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and plate these. And then my last step is to sugar them. And there we go. Easy air fryer cherry turnovers. Allow these to cool and serve. Thank you for watching our video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button.